Do you have an interest in biology? Do you have concern for animals without being overly sentimental? Are you calm and confident when handling animals? Can you be tactful and sympathetic when dealing with people? If you've answered yes to these questions, then the occupation of veterinary nurse might be the one for you. Veterinary nurses support vets in that they provide nursing care for sick, injured and hospitalized animals. They also assist in educating owners about animal care and welfare. Veterinary nurses work in a range of practices and establishments. They work in private veterinary practices, animal hospitals, animal welfare organizations, veterinary pharmaceutical companies, as well as zoos. There are fields of work that a veterinary nurse may choose to specialize in. Examples of these are small animals, large animals, or wildlife. When an animal is brought into the surgery, the nurse speaks to the animal owner to find out what the issue is. Often part of their job is calming the owner down. During the examination of the animal, they may assist with procedures such as taking blood, urine and other samples from animals as directed by the vet. They may take x-rays of the animal if needed. They prepare animals for surgery and assist the veterinarian during the procedure. They monitor the animal while it's anesthetized. They carry out certain medical treatments and diagnostic tests. These nurses provide expert, supportive care for inpatient animals. This involves monitoring their recovery as well as feeding, cleaning and exercising them. The veterinary nurses give injections and medication to animals under the instruction of the vet. They also carry out minor procedures such as removing post-operation stitches. Often veterinary nurses assist with the education of owners. They talk to the pet owners about post-surgery care and advise on general animal health. They may also supervise and assist in the training of the animal care assistants that work in the surgery or hospital. In some practices, veterinary nurses may cover reception duties as well as update administration records and client files. Working hours will depend on the employer. While the number of hours will be in the region of 40 hours a week, depending on the facility, shift work may be expected. Nurses may have to work some weekends and public holidays. At 24-hour practices, there will be night shifts. To work as a veterinary nurse, an accredited tertiary qualification in veterinary nursing is required. The South African Veterinary Council, or SAVC, is the statutory body that regulates the veterinary and paraveterinary professions in South Africa. It's compulsory to be registered with the council to work as a veterinary nurse. Some nurses choose to nurse and work in large veterinary hospitals, at universities or specialist referral centres. Here, a nurse with experience may progress to a practice management role. Alternatively, progression may involve specializing in a different aspect of animal health, such as animal behavior or alternative therapy, or becoming a pharmaceutical company representative. Other positions outside veterinary practice include work in research establishments and laboratories, in wildlife sanctuaries, animal NGOs, and boarding kennels.